Hello everyone, this is Nitisha from Combirds. Combirds is a meta verified partner with over 9 years of experience in communication and customer engagement industry. We help businesses to connect with their customer using the WhatsApp, SMS, voice, email, RCS services by providing the different platforms. In today's video, we will talk about how you can use the WhatsApp Business API to send messages to your client and interact with your customer. Before moving ahead, let me tell you what exactly WhatsApp Business API does. So, WhatsApp Business API is designed for medium and large businesses to communicate with their customer at scale. Unlike the normal WhatsApp app, WhatsApp API allows you to send messages automatically, integrate with your system, handle large volumes of chat, use multiple agents on one number. Brand uses WhatsApp Business API for sending the alerts, notification, OTPs, order updates, marketing offers, etc. WhatsApp messages have industry leading open and read rates, making it one of the most effective communication channel today. The four main use cases of using the WhatsApp Business API can be one for the WhatsApp marketing, sending the promotional messages to the opt in user without risking the number getting banned. You can manage opt in, opt outs, track the delivery, read analytics easily. Second would be the live chat and shared inbox. Handle the customer queries using the shared inbox. Up to like 15 agents can log in using their mobile or desktop and chat with the customer real time. Third would be the API integration to connect your WhatsApp on the website or mobile app to send the messages automatically, like the OTP alert, transactional updates. You can even integrate it with the WooCommerce and Shopify. Fourth can be the WhatsApp chatbot. Build an automated chatbot to like handle the FAQs, capture the leads, book demos, or like guide users, all using non-code drag and drop builder. So that option is also available. Now, before jumping into the video, let me just tell you like what all things would be required to onboard you for WhatsApp Business API. So first, you require a number which is not available on WhatsApp. It should not be on WhatsApp at all. Second, you require a Facebook page or a website. Third, you require a Facebook account which is 6 month old. And fourth, verification of documents would be required. So you should have either the GST, MSME, or something like that. So once you have that, we can help you with the onboarding. So the onboarding is free of cost and a smooth onboarding can be done from there on. Now let's just get into the video and help you walk you through the demo of the dashboard, like how you can use the platform from here on. Now, once you log into the platform, you will see this live option. Once we connect your Facebook account and the number, the live option would be visible to you. And also, along with that, you can see like your per day messaging limit over here set by the Meta. Initially, it would be 2000 once the FBA account is verified, and slowly and gradually once you start doing the campaigning, they will increase your per day message sending limit to 10,000 in a day to 1 lakh. That totally depends on how you're performing or how you're sending the campaign. On the right hand side, you can update about your DP. You can add about your profiles that would be visible to your customer and client. And then we have the wallet credit option where you can check like how much amount you have in the wallet, and you can do the campaign accordingly or can recharge the wallet accordingly. Now we also have this customized WhatsApp link option where you can create your own QR for your WhatsApp business. Also, you can even create your WhatsApp website button, just like people do, like have a small icon on the WhatsApp website. So we have this simple widget you can create from here on. You can give this like how can you chat and everything. That option is available with us on the dashboard itself. So this was about the main dashboard. Now once the setup is done and everything is sorted, now you can create your message template by clicking on the manage option. Here you will find the option of template message. We have some predefined and designed template according to the industry type. You can even use it, or else you can even create your own template by clicking on the new option from the right hand side top. Here you need to define all these details, like you need to give this template category, whether utility, marketing, or authentication. And Utility means all the important updates or the notification that you're sending to your client. Marketing means all the promotional activities apart from utility falls under the marketing, like offer message and other things. And then we have the authentication. It is for the OTP purpose only. I'm selecting your marketing, and then you can give the template language. It could be any language. International languages are there, and also the national language. I'm selecting the English language for now, and then I'll give this template a name. So this name could be anything. This would be visible to you only, not to your customer. This is for your reference. And then we will decide the template type along with the text what you want to add in your template: image, video, carousel, document. I'm adding image right now, and also you can add the other details from here on. Then we have this template format, so you can like copy paste your message over here. You need to make sure that the character limits fall under 1024 characters only, and you can even define the variables like this, like 1 2 and so on. If you want to send the customized message, you can pass on the sample values over here. And also you need not to define the actual image over here or any video. Then we have this template footer where you can add any sort of footer type, and at the end we can add the buttons like quick replies, like interested, not interested sort of thing, or like explore more, or talk to support. And also you can add the URL like visit now or something like that. So that options are available with us. You can add the buttons that would be visible to your client. You can even add the contact number like call now or something like that. That um, that facility is also over here. You can add the buttons from here on. And at this right hand side you can even preview like how your templates looks like. Once you are satisfied, you just need to click on submit, and it will go to the all section of the template message where you can see whether it is approved, rejected by the Meta. Within few minutes you will get an approve well thing from the Meta, and once approved then you can launch your campaign or you're good to go. You can use the APIs for sending the messages and everything from here on. Now, from the left hand side, you can click on the campaign. You will see at the right hand side top a launch option where you will find this campaign type, like how you want to launch your campaign through broadcast or API broadcast or CSV broadcast. So, if you want to target new people and you have your Excel or CSV ready, you can just use the CSV broadcast thing from here on. Once you click here, you need to give this campaign a name. You can give any name. And for example, I'm writing over here test, and then I'll just upload a CSV from here on. uh, so in your CSV you just need to make sure that two columns are there, the name and the phone number, that are mandatory. You can even have other columns as well if you want to have other attributes or like variables included, but these two columns are mandatory. Then once done, you need to map it, like you will give this a name, a username, and phone number as a phone number. You will define the values and then click on next. Now from here on you can select the template, so all the templates that you have got approved under the manage would be available over here. You can select the any of the template from here on, and then you can pass on the values. For example, I'm selecting this particular template. This template has two variables. So first variable I want to be the name of the client, so I'm adding the name, and the fallback value is 0 over here. And the second variable, I want this to be the product name. So if my CSV has any additional column from where the product name should be picked up, so I'll just define the value from here on with the fallback value 0. Now I'll upload the image. So over here you need to define like what image or video you want to upload. While creating the templates, you need not to get it approved from there on. You will upload the image from here. Now once you click on next, you will again click on next. Now at the last page you can see like how much estimated cost would be required to do for doing this campaign, and what is your available balance, and what is your per message cost. Once done and satisfied, you just need to click on send now. Once you click on send now under the campaign option itself, you will get that campaign name. You just need to click on that particular campaign to get the whole analytics in detail. Over here, you will find a whole overview like when your campaign was launched, at what time it was launched, what was the estimated duration of getting it complete. That would be visible to you. Also, how much message was sent, delivered, read, that data would be available to you. We charge only on the delivered and the send messages, not on the failed message. So the actual usage of that particular template would be reflected over here under the total credit usage. You can see like how much credits actually were utilized over here. And once done, then you can even check on each and every criteria, like how on what particular people the message was sent. You can check on it. You can even download the reports from here on how many messages were delivered to what actual database. You can scroll down and you can have a look onto it, like read, not read, and everything would be visible to you. You can even select the data and you can do the rebroadcasting from here on. You can select the new template and you can broadcast a new message to those particular database directly from the campaign option itself. Now you can even check if somebody is replying you. You can even have a detailed data about it. In the same manner, like on the read also, you can have a detailed data. If someone replies you with any of the buttons, if you're having in your campaign, that would be reflected over here itself. And you can even keep a track on it, like whether they have clicked on any of the buttons. And if there are any failed messages, that would be also, you will be having a database of that particular client base. Yeah, now what if somebody replies you back with any button or any sort of message? How will you handle it? So basically, we do have the option of live chat in our menu bar. You can just simply click on it. The message will fall over here with a notification. So from here on, your agent can pick that conversation up, and even you can intervene into the conversation and can have a smooth two-way communication from the dashboard. Also, you can put a tag on your message, like if you feel that client is important to you, you can give like hot lead or something like that. You can create your own tags so that you can filter out the database accordingly. And after 24 hours of conversation, the all the chats will fall under the history section. From here on, you can keep a track on the chats. And apart from that, you can even filter out the database on the basis of tags and attributes from here as well. So you will have a clear understanding of the filtered database. Also, just in case if you want to filter the database, we have under the contact section itself, you can even import the contacts and you can even filter the data from here on. All the messages that are incoming or you are sending through the campaigns, all the contacts are saved over here. You can do the broadcasting. Also, you can filter from here as well, like on the basis of tags and attributes, everything is available. You can even export the database or can like manage the tags or blocks or opt-ins from here on. Now coming back to the campaign section, as we already discussed about the CSV broadcasting and how you can manage it, now we will just look into the API part, like how you can send the messages through the API. So once you click on launch, you will find this API campaign. Over you again need to give this campaign a name. We suggest that keep the name as same as your template name so that you can identify between the campaign, because over here the main part is that you need to set your template live each and every time that you're creating a new template if you want to send it through the API. Okay, so make sure that the campaign name is same as the template name so you can identify between the templates. Once you click on set live, you need to go back to the campaign section again. Here you will find all the templates that you have set live under the API. And once you click on it, it will take you to the analytics dashboard where you will find the test campaign option. Here you can copy paste this curl at your backend and you can use the APIs for sending the messages directly. Also, if you want to know in details how the API documentation work, you can just click on this manage option. Here you will find the API key option. You need to click on read API. You will get this document where you can see how you need to pass the parameters and the strings, and also the API key is available so you can easily integrate it and send the messages. Yeah, so that's all for the API campaign. Now, if you want to integrate the chatbot, so that is also possible. You can create up to 5 flows for the chatbot. So, chatbot basically means sending an automated message without any manual effort. So, you can create this flow here from a simple drag and drop method. You will have this menu bar on the left hand side from where you can select the buttons or media buttons. You can even add the catalogs, or you can even add the single product. Also, there are some action buttons. You can ask for the medias, locations, and also you can connect multiple flows if you have to integrate that way. So you can create this flow with a simple drag and drop method over here. You just need to click on active and just save the changes, and the flow would be live. So this option is there with us. You can create your own chatbot with no codings involved, and you can start using the chatbot. And also now, if you're worried about the integration, then you can easily integrate it with the Shopify, WooCommerce, LeadSquare, WebEngage, CleverTip, and MoEngage. So we do provide a proper support for each and every integration. So you need not to worry about the integration part. Our team can help you out with the service as well over here on our platform. So you need not to worry about it. Now let me just tell you what else do we have on our platform. So if you go to this manage option, you will see this list over here. You can see the opt-in management option. So basically, opt-in management helps you prevent from not getting blocked on WhatsApp. Over here, if you're launching any of the campaigns, and if your client or customer are choosing the word or typing you the words like not interested, unsubscribed, stop sort of thing, then automatically from next campaign they won't be receiving the messages. So this will help you figuring out like what number of people are not interested in the messages, and how you can prevent from not getting blocked on WhatsApp. Also the opt-in keywords are there, so that is possible. Now coming to the live chats thing, you can even have a welcome message sort of thing. Also you can have a off hour message when your team is not available. You can even set the timings for it, like when are you available and when it is the off hours. Also, we do have this campaign setting from the left hand side menu. If any of your templates category get changed in the middle of the campaign, the message will not go to the client. The campaign would stop. And for the agent thing, you can definitely add up to 15 team members. You can create an owner, manager, and agent over here. So the agent will only have the access to the live chat and the campaign thing, but the owner can see, have a look on each and everything in detail. Apart from that, the analytics would be also available to you, so you can have a track on it on the basis of days, month, and you can even have the database from here as well. Then we you have this billing and usage sort of thing, so you can even have a track on the credits that you're using. Then the notification preferences are there, like how you would like to receive the notifications on the phones or on the laptops. That options and settings are there. Yeah, so that's all for this video. I hope you have a overview like how the platform works, and how you can use our WhatsApp Business API for sending the messages through the APIs, through the system, or bulk marketing. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and for any support or further queries, you can reach out to us on our official website combirds.com, and even the phone number is given over there, so you can book a demo with us through the website, or you can even contact us on that particular number. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video. Thank you.